Good morning, students. So today we will talk about the use of microorganisms in increasing the soil fertility and as a decomposer in cleaning up the environment. So when we talk about fertility, increasing fertility to increase or the soil fertility. When we say soil fertile, soil is fertile. It means what? Crops can be grown on that soil and even fruits and vegetables can be they are because of the soil. If the soil is enriched with the nutrients, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, carbon, okay, so the plants need high amount of nitrogen, high amount of potassium. If the soil contains high amount of these nutrients, then soil is known as fertile. Then on that soil you can grow many vegetables, fruits, because the soil is fertile. Now, some soil is like less fertile, barren. So, how to increase that fertility of the soil? So, as I told you, plant require high amount of nitrogen, high amount of potassium, high amount of sulfur. Okay, so because of this, we can add chemical fertilizer. But bacteria, some bacteria, they like cyanobacteria, some algae, they are doing nitrogen fixation, which we are going to talk about in the later part of the chapter in detail. What is nitrogen cycle and what is nitrogen fixation? Just in short, this atmospheric nitrogen we have in this atmosphere is not directly used by plants, but certain bacteria, what they do, they convert this atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates, and which can be these nitrates. So some bacteria convert, or we can say fix, atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Okay, nitrates compound, nitrates, nitrites, and that is used in, that is present in soil. So this atmospheric nitrogen is converted into the nitrates, which is then enriching the soil. So in this way, atmospheric nitrogen can be converted into nitrates, then which will increase the soil fertility. Now soil will have more amount of nitrogen. So this is done by some bacteria. So we can say bacteria increase the soil fertility. So not all bacteria, we can say some bacteria. So some bacteria and blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is also known as what? Cyanobacteria. Blue-green algae and some bacteria are able to fix. What is the meaning of fix? What is fixation? Converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates, these ions or salts, ammonia or nitrate salts, which are then used in the, which are there in the soil. So already there are nitrates present in the soil, but they get increased by the nitrogen fixation bacteria because they convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. So in this way they increase the fertility, which we will talk about in detail about the nitrogen cycle. Okay. So bacteria are helping to increase the soil fertility. Now let's talk about bacteria as a decomposer. I hope you understood this. Bacteria as a decomposer. What is the meaning of decomposer? We will talk about, we are finished with this topic. We are talking about in cleaning of the environment. So dear student, when animals die like in forest or in the when for example plants are shed off, the trees is fallen on. So all this organic matter, all this organism, they are when they die, they are eaten up by bacteria. So what do bacteria do? They break down into simple substance. Our body is complex, but slowly when it is break down into some from more complex to less complex, then simple, then very much simple molecules are formed. Right now we have complex molecules, complex structure, but when we die, what happens? This complex structure is ultimately converted into simple substances like glucose molecules, carbon dioxide molecule, with the help of bacteria. So bacteria convert this, so body does not become a waste on the earth. Human body or any organic matter like plants, vegetables, for example, if some food is thrown on waste food is, for example, is somewhere some people throw on road, we don't have to throw, but for example if even just rice plate is or rice is thrown on road, slowly it will get decomposed, the bacteria will eat up. But if there is plastic or metal, it will remain as it is, because bacteria won't be able to decompose it, but bacteria are decomposing the organic matter. And not only this cleaning, they are cleaning. When for example human body or plant's body or waste of plants and animals are decomposed, they convert into nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon dioxide. So these are increasing the soil fertility. So they are helping the environment in two ways. Let's talk about cleaning of environment. Cleaning of environment. So, for example, decomposition. When I say decomposition is breakdown. Breakdown of waste of plants and animal into simple substance. So the food, the vegetables, for example, the plants which are waste, the weeds which are cut down, the weeds are means unwanted plants which are then cut down, they are decomposed, they are break down by bacteria. So the waste is gone. But second, also they produce manure. For example, what is manure? Manure is like you might have heard about cow dung, animal dung, the excreta. Okay, the waste material, the excreta, the excretion or the fecus of animals is used to we can say make manure. Why? Because this excreta is the organic matter. It contains nitrogen, ammonium salts. So this nitrogen containing cow dung or animal dung increase the soil fertility. So you might have heard about this word green manure. If not, what is green manure? So some people, they cut down some weeds, plants and they add in the soil. First, for example, cow dung is added or animal dung is added to the soil to make the soil more fertile. And this cow dung or horse dung or any we can say animal dung fecus is known as manure. Okay. So how, for example, it is not manure. When they add, bacteria decompose it, and then after, for example, the animal waste or plant waste, it is converted into small, we can say, it is breakdown by bacteria. So now this we can say it is called manure, because this will increase the soil fertility. Any organic waste material, it is decomposed by bacteria. Now it is enriched with nutrients which is used by the soil. Right now we are complex body. But for example, when a complex body is, we can say some person is buried in the soil. So what happened? That bacteria will decompose and all that nutrients are, we can say, taken by the soil. Now soil becomes more fertile. So the organic matter or the, for example, animal dung after 2-3 days becomes a good manure, because it is now having a decomposed simple substance nutrient. Okay. Same way there is a green manure. The unwanted plants when we cut down and then add to the soil, it again that is decomposed by bacteria, converted into we can say simple nutrients that can be taken by plants and that are used as manure. So not only they clean up the environment, also they create manure. So this was about cleaning of environment. We have talked about some certain uses. Then our next topic will be how bacteria are harmful for human being or any we can say animals. How they are we can say threat or we can say harmful, and we're going to talk about their we can say detrimental effect on the human body, on animals, on plants,